Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a very typical French dish with a full chicken, white wine and mushroom-based sauce. It's called le Poulet Marengo. Sounds fancy, right? This style of sauce was invented by Napoleon's cook Dunand on the battlefield of Marengo in Italy. It originately had crayfish as an ingredient, later replaced by mushrooms. What you will need to make the Marengo chicken for 4 is 2 pounds of chicken chopped in pieces, 1 ounce of all-purpose flour, 1 ounce of butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 8 ounces of washed and cut mushrooms. French word of the day. The French word of the day is champignon for mushroom. Champignon. Pew, pew, pew. 8 fluid ounces of white wine. 2 ounces of crushed tomato sauce. Cut the chicken in pieces, thighs, wings, and sides. Season chicken pieces with salt and pepper, then dip them into flour in a mixing bowl. Add butter and oil in a Dutch oven over medium heat. Then add chicken chunks and brown. Stir regularly. Stir regularly. Add a chopped onion and let it brown as well while stirring. Add white wine to deglaze and let it cook down before adding crushed tomato sauce and a glass of water. Cover and let it cook for an hour over low heat. Add washed and cut mushrooms and let it cook for an extra 10 minutes. Serve warm with pasta, for example. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, so give us a thumb up to show your support. We appreciate it a lot. You may also want to comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. Also, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all the new videos we will publish. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!